Hey guys, I just uploaded a full video all about all the incredible benefits of downward facing dog, plus a little yoga challenge so you can experience some of these incredible benefits. I shall link this video down below, and I've also linked it on the top right hand side of this video, so be sure to click there if it's easier. Anyways, you guys, the benefits of downward facing dog are literally incredible, clearing your mind, body and soul. Anyways, you guys, peace, love and light from my heart to yours. I shall be seeing you guys in my next upload.